Hello guys, Arbab is here. So I decide before I start posting strategies regarding ICT, SMC or either price action, I want to give you a quick basic knowledge about these strategies. So let's go. So basically the ICT inner circuit trader, he have a YouTube channel. You can see if you go to the YouTube channel and if you search on the bar ICT or inner circuit trader, you will get his channel. He is a very genius guy, but the problem that his video has a very long and have very deep knowledge. So my purpose of making to this YouTube channel to make quick, short and easy for you guys. So you don't have to watch the long videos and give your much time. So basically, what is the ICT concept? The ICT methodology consists of some key concept that every trader must know in order to take advantage of trading in this style. Okay, so what is the first thing is called liquidity. So what is the liquidity? Liquidity is the first and arguably the most important concept within the ICT trading methodology. Okay, you have to find out the liquidity to find out and liquidity to the target. Okay, for example, in some this is a very simple that you found any consolidation area in some specific some specific session range, like this is the Asian range. You find a consolidation, this become this consolidation, then you will see the accumulation where the market makers like banks, hedge funds or any investor, they make accumulate the market, and then you market sector shift, fair value gap, and boom to the another side of liquidity. Okay, very simple. There you will find in coming videos, you will see I will explain displacement, market sector shift, inducement and fair value gaps, everything step by step. So don't worry, optimal trade, OTE, balance price range, whatever that is. Okay, so don't worry about, just stick to my channel. In literally some time you will see very valuable content in a very small short of video, not a big videos and everything. Okay, so please don't mind about my accent or my vocabularies, stay with me. Thank you. So once we come to the smart money concept, so smart money concept and ICT have a not much different, because ICT who invent this ICT also invent the smart money, same person who the father of smart money concept. Okay, so in smart money concept, what happen when price make its higher highs, once the previous high break it and make a new high is called break of structure, and once the recent low break it and down close candle is closed downside is called change of character. Okay, here you will find the same things like liquidity, but you will get order block. But in ICT there is a another thing. Okay, in ICT they will not say break of structure, they said market structure shift, MSS. Okay, so in smart money concept you will get order block, breaker block, liquidity gap, fair value gap, and they can also say lower low, lower highs, premium and discount. These Fibonacci tools also they use in smart money concept. So they invent smart money concept mean they want to follow the big funds like banks or hedge fund to follow their footprints by finding the liquidity. Main thing is liquidity. If you found the liquidity, you will successful on this market. If you don't find, you become liquidity. Either you have to find liquidity or you will become liquidity. That is a simple rule to trade in SMC or ICT. Okay, now we will come to the price action basic. In price action, simply like you find in SMC break of structure and change of character, here you will find higher highs and higher lows, where the price is extending their highs from previous one is called market is bullish, and if price is making lower lows and extending its lower lows from previous one, it's called market is bearish. And if price is not making higher high or higher lows, it's called consolidation. In price action you will find a supply, demand, support and resistance, candlestick pattern, chart pattern and trend line, moving averages, stochastic, MSD, MACD or Bollinger Band, and there is too much thing that you will find in price action basics. Okay, so if you want to learn price action, also comment in the section or comment in TikTok. If you are watching in TikTok, comment. If you are watching in YouTube, make sure you subscribe and comment what you need. If you need price action, I will also make video on that one. If you need smart money concept, surely I will make. In ICT, 100% I will make videos. Okay, so please suggest your suggestion as well, so on base of that I will know what interests you, and make sure you come and join my WhatsApp group downside. That in that group you will find free signals on daily basis, on weekly basis of Forex market, where that strategy is based on my strategy. So they have good accuracy. So make sure you join for free and start with demo account. Once you apply my strategy, once you follow my signal, if you find it's profitable, you can use your own money. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.